In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create music videos like this with perfect lip sync using completely free AI tools and upload them on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook Reels. Whether you want to be creating gospel music, kids cartoon videos, or even Afro music, this method is definitely for you. Check out this short sample that we created.
Them they look me with their eye, but I just they look up to the sky. No time for wahala, I they fly. This good energy, you know feed by. So I go dance, I go shine my light. It go better every day and night. Oh yeah, make you join me, feel alright. And so we move to the morning light. Yeah.
Now, stay with me to the end of this video because you do not want to miss any part of this tutorial. We are not going to be using Suno, we are not going to be using OpenArt, we're not going to be using any of these big tools that you know. So if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. We're going to create this entire video from the lyrics to the full animated video in 5 easy steps. So the first step we're going to do is come over to Google Gemini. I'll leave the link to all the tools I'm using in the description below. Here what we want to do is type in a prompt that describes a type of a song that we want to create. I have this short simple prompt that I'm going to use. It says write lyrics for a 30 seconds upbeat Afropop song sung by a confident young African woman. The lyrics should tell a short, joyful story about celebrating life and staying true to yourself. Include one verse and a catchy chorus. Keep it simple, rhythmic, and easy to sing along to. The total count word must fit within 30 seconds of singing. We are doing this for the sake of this tutorial not to be too long, but you can generate up to a 5-minute song. That's if you want to. So just hit create and I'll wait for Gemini to create a 30-second track for me. The other method that we can use is by selecting create music here at the bottom. From there, we can listen to all these different tracks from cinematic to bad music, forest bath, R&B, romance, and remix them to our desire. For example, we want to remix this Afropop. Let's just briefly listen to how it sounds. Okay, all we have to do is select it, and from there we can customize this track by giving it a prompt, just like the similar one we used earlier. All we have to do is hit generate, and Gemini is going to generate a song for us. I will leave this prompt that I'm using in the video description below so that you can tweak them to your preference. And once our music is done, this is how it sounds.
New day, sun is shining bright, feeling good and feeling right. No time for bad energy, oh my, got this vibe you can't ignore. I'm on my own wave, yeah, this kind of joy I can say.
Okay, this is just so insane. Now we can click on the download button here and download it as a video or download it as an audio track. Now this is the second song from the track that we remixed.
Them they look me with their eye, but I just they look up to the sky. No time for wahala, I they fly. This good energy, you know feed by. So I go dance, I go shine my light.
Let me know what you think about this. This is really good. I really love how this one turned out to be. I really love how this one was generated. I will download it and use it in my video. So just hit download and hit audio only because I only need an audio. Now that we know how to use Gemini to generate our music song, the next thing that we need to do is to generate our character for the song, like the one who is going to be in the video. I have this simple prompt that I created in Cloud. I will leave it in the video description below. Now, what we want to do is select tools down here and select create image so that we can change a model to generating an image. So just paste in this prompt and we'll hit create. For the AI to generate a character image that I'm going to use for my video. Our character has been generated. It has actually generated 2 images of the same person. This is how it looks. I don't really like how this one looks because there are a lot of people in the background and I just want a solo person. So I'll just reprompt. I'll just paste in my more detailed prompt. Once I paste in my prompt, I hit submit. Okay, there I have my character. Overall, I love the attire and I love how African she looks. This was sort of the type of music that we are creating. Although I can still see people in the background, stuffs like that, but if I want to get a solo one, I can still reprompt. Now that we have the song, we also have the character for our song. The next step that we need to do is to animate this character. I've taught this method a number of times on my channel. You can check out other related video to this. All we want to do is to have an animation of our character singing. We are not giving her the voice yet. We just want her animated in a singing mode where she moves her hands, her lips, and her body all together. So what we're going to do is download this image of ours, and once we download it, we're going to use any AI animating tool of our choice. We can come over to Grock, we can use Clean AI, or any image to video AI tool of our choice. For this tutorial, I'll be using Clean. I'm on a free plan for this one. I haven't subscribed yet and I only have 64 credits, but this will surely work. All we have to do is upload our start frame, which is the image of our character. And once our image is uploaded, we give it this prompt. It says, animate this elegant African woman to sing, natural lip sync to the audio, though we've not given it the audio, we assume it has the audio, gentle head movement, slight body sway, blinking, expressive face, studio lighting, very important, and smooth motion, music video style. This is very important. All the details to this will be left in the video description below. All we need is to generate a 5-second video clip. As you can see, it will cost me 45 credits, in which I only have 64 credits. I'll hit generate. This is what we got in Kling 3.0.
Feel the rhythm in your soul tonight. Let the music set you free.
I also tried generating a video using Grock, and this is exactly what I got.
Oh, let the reputation move so bright. In this moment, hearts dancing, starting great, feeling like.
Everything is okay. Forget about the background music which is playing because there is a way we're going to work around that. Now you've animated your music video. The final thing is to lip sync the music that we generated in Gemini with the video clip that we've just created. To do that, we're going to use Dreamface. Just come over to Dreamface AI. For this final part, I'm going to be using the app on my phone. So just go to Play Store and search for Dreamface and install it. I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can easily have access to it and lip sync your video. They're not sponsoring this video in any way. It's just that they've created something amazing for creators like you and I. Once you open Dreamface AI, on your left, you'll see a tab called Avatar Talk/Sing. Just select it. From there, this interface will open up. All I have to do is click on the plus icon on my left and upload the music video file that we just created of our character. Once the video file is uploaded, just click confirm. From there, the next thing that we want to do is to upload the music file that we generated in Gemini. What we want to do is select and click on this button that says want avatar to say or sing, and you see these options appear. What we want to do is select on import so that we can import our audio file. I'll import from my files and I will select my audio file, which is the first one on top. Once the audio file is selected, just listen to it to confirm that it's truly the one.
Then they look me with their eye.
Oh yeah, it is the very one. All you have to do is hit confirm here on top. From there, just click on animate at the bottom. Once it's animated, this is exactly how it looks and sounds.
Then they look me with their eye. But I just they look up to the sky. No time for wahala, I they fly. This good energy, you know feed by. So I go dance, I go shine my light.
From there, I created some B-roll and added it on top of my music video to make it feel more cinematic and rich. That's how easy you can create these music videos and lip sync them and begin uploading them on your YouTube channel, on TikTok, Instagram, or any social media platform of your choice. Now, here is the truth. Most people will watch this and do nothing, but a few who actually try this build channels, grow audiences, and start earning from content they didn't even record themselves. So the question is, which one are you?